going to be using the master built 32-inch electric Sportsman Elite, the plain Jane choo-choo train of them all. That's your thermostat control. The redder it gets, the hotter it gets. Right now I just got it warming up, just like a pre-cook going on. I've got apple chips in there smoking. It's up to 200, let's see if we can get it below or 225 right now. If you go that way, it looks like it's sitting right on 225. But that's about where I'm going to smoke it. We got bone-in chicken breast, and we're going to put them on and let them smoke the afternoon away while I plant some vegetables. Alright, here's the split chicken breast with ribs. Got them on discount. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take them out of here, put them over here on the rack over the sink, so that way when I season them, the seasoning just falls into the sink, the extra. Flip them, season them some more, and then carry the whole rack out to the smoker at one time. These some big old honking birds. I hope they all fit. Ooh, the sausage breast. I'm touching. A little bit of garlic powder.
This is the meat that Daddy. No?
Put some garlic powder on here. I have to put a lot. Little goes a long way when it comes to garlic. And some of the Sure Shot seeds right there. This stuff is the best. Pork, beef, chicken. You mix it with your hamburger meat before you make hamburgers. Put it on steaks, ribs, Boston butt. I even put it on hot dogs when I'm doing them. Doesn't take a lot of this either. Some pepper. Here's your final, once you have them seasoned up real good, this is what you'll be left with. And it's on the rack. gonna take them out there and put them in the smoker. Alright, got them on the smoker. Got some smoke going. I'm fixing to fill the smoker box back up to get a good smoke going. I've got them on the center rack. I'm going to adjust the temperature back down to about 225 degrees. And we're going to set them on there, and I'm going to come check them about every 45 minutes to see. It's probably going to take about 2.5 hours to get them good and smoked and done. But I'll let you see them as we check them. Alright, we've been holding steady at about 225 degrees for about 45 minutes now. We're going to open it up and see how everything looks. This is a master built 32-inch Sportsman Elite. Here's your basic electric model. When I say basic, that's your thermostat control there. It's just a knob. The redder it gets, the hotter it gets, the yellower it gets, the cooler it gets. So let's see what we got. Ooh. Fogged up my lens. Let's see what we got here. Look at that chicken up there. Tell you what, looking good, smelling good. Wish y'all could smell this stuff right here. I've got the chicken sitting right about where the thermometer is, so I know that it's pretty close to that 225 degrees, which is lowered since I opened the door. But again, smoking split chicken breast on the Master Sportsman Elite. Alright, so I took these off about 30-45 minutes ago. They've been resting. I wish y'all could smell it. They were in the smoker for about 2 hours and 45 minutes at 225 degrees. And now this is the damage that we did to the chicken. We ate 1.5 pieces of chicken, and that's it. That's how big those things were. Give you an idea of what the inside looks like. It's really good and moist.